This video is about how to dynamically navigate on browser using hashtag and display data based on hash values with the help of Ajax, jQuery and JavaScript. For example, when I click on buttons, I am displaying the data using Ajax, but at the same time I am also manipulating the URL. Not only that, when I click on back and forth buttons, the data changes respectively. Also, if I directly open with hash value, it shows the data. You can also remove hash value by clicking on refresh button. Let's start building code from the scratch. Here is the page design. I am using PHP language, but you can use any backend language. I have included the header file which has jQuery and Bootstrap link. In our main page, I added onClick event and show data Ajax function on each button. I added them statically. You can remove hashtag from post data using your backend language. Let's add history.pushState function with 3 arguments. First will be an empty array. Second will be the empty string. And third will be the hash value. Copy paste them and add values respectively. Notice that your URL hash is also changing. Now the next problem is when I click on back button, it doesn't change the Ajax value. So for that, add a JavaScript code. We shall get the hash value and call the function. Now let's check. Working fine. Now next challenge is what to do when user applies URL with hash value directly. For that, we shall add similar code. Let's check the direct URL. As you can see, it is working. Now to remove hash value, create a script tag at the top of page. You can also add in common header file, but I don't want to confuse viewers. So I am writing on same page. On click of refresh, paste that code and use array's first element. As you can see, this button wipes out the hash value. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.